Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door lock in the UK. First, identify your current lock type, whether it's a Euro cylinder or a mortise lock. This initial assessment is crucial for selecting the correct replacement. Carefully measure the existing cylinder's length and diameter, or the mortise lock's backset and faceplate dimensions. Understanding these specifics ensures a perfect fit for your new, secure lock. Next, gather your essential tools, including various screwdrivers, a tape measure, and of course, your new lock. It is vital that your replacement lock adheres to British standards, such as BS 3621 for mortise locks or TS 007 for Euro cylinders, ensuring optimal security. Prepare your workspace by clearing any obstructions around the door for safe and efficient work. Now, let's remove the old lock. For a Euro cylinder, locate the single retaining screw on the door's edge, usually near the latch, and unscrew it completely. Then, insert your key and turn it slightly to align the cam, allowing you to slide the cylinder out. For a mortise lock, remove the handles and faceplate screws before extracting the main lock body from the door's mortise. Finally, install your new lock. Carefully slide the new mechanism into the door, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the existing holes. Secure it firmly with the provided screws, tightening them until snug, but avoid over-tightening. Once installed, thoroughly test the lock with your key from both the inside and outside. Confirm smooth operation and that the door locks securely, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.